Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 2, basic sequential circuits. Okay, so in this session I am going to discuss relevance of asynchronous input to the flip flops. Okay, and also clocked JK flip flop. Okay, so relevance of the asynchronous input to the flip flops. The normal data input to the flip flop are D, S and R or a JK are referred to as a synchronous inputs. Okay, so they have effect on the outputs, that is Q and Q bar. Okay, in a synchronous with the clock signal transitions. Okay, asynchronous input can set or reset flip flop regardless of the status of the clock signal. There is no clock signal is provided. Okay, asynchronous or synchronous. Okay, synchronous we are going to provide the clock. Asynchronous there is no clock pulses. Okay, asynchronous inputs are called as a preset and a clear. Okay, inputs are also known as a preset and clear. Okay, when the preset input is activated, the flip flop will be set Q equal to 1, Q bar equal to 0. Okay, so when you clear is activated, the time what happens, that Q equal to 0 and Q bar equal to 1, that is flip flop is going to reset. Okay, so when preset and clear inputs are activated or active mode, okay, what we get here, so where Q and Q will go to the same state, means previous state you will get. Okay, so asynchronous inputs are like a synchronous inputs, can be active high or a active low. Okay, if suppose it is in a active low, then that will be a inverting bubble you will get. Okay, bubble at the input on the block symbol, just like a negative edge triggered clock. Okay, inputs negative edge triggered clock pulse. What is negative edge? It is, okay, transition is from 1 to 0, we are naming it as negative edge transition. Okay, so sometimes the designations preset priori and clear. Okay, priori means that is a preset, CLR means clear, will be shown at the inversion bar above them. Okay, to further denote the negative logic of the inputs. So clocked JK flip-flop is a versatile and widely used as a flip-flop. Okay, usually the functioning of the JK flip-flop is same as that of the SR flip-flop, set reset flip-flop, and also no change conditions of the operations. Okay, and also the difference is that JK flip-flop has no invalid states. SR flip-flop, okay, SR flip-flop having a invalid state. Okay, that is a forbidden state. For S equal to 1, for R equal to 1, you are getting the invalid state. Okay, we have forbidden state, either 1 or 0 you are getting. Okay, so JK means what? JK means Jack Kilby. Okay, so that it is Texas Instrument engineer who was invented ICs. Okay, so the two inputs of the JK flip-flop are J is set, K is reset. Okay, J means Jack, K means Kilby. Okay, so JK flip-flop is nothing but SR flip-flop along with two AND gates which are connected to it. Okay, so you can observe the here JK flip-flop symbol JK. Okay, clock will be there. Okay, and also two AND gates are connected together at the input side. Okay, so you can observe here when J equal to 0, K equal to 0, clock pulse you are, okay, the clock pulse has no effect on the output. The output of the flip-flop is same as the previous state. Okay, so no change will be there. J and K are 0, the output of the respective AND gate is becomes a 0 here. Okay, when J equal to 0, K equal to 1. Okay, so next you can observe here J equal to 0, K equal to 1. When J equal to 0, the output of the AND gate corresponding to the J becomes 0. S equal to 0, R equal to 1. Okay, therefore Q bar equal to 0. The condition will be reset. Condition will be reset means, okay, you will get here, what you will get here, condition will be reset means 0 will get at the Q. Okay, Q bar, okay, it represents the reset. The flip-flop is in the reset mode. Okay, when J equal to 1, K equal to 0, you will get what? Q equal to 1. Okay, Q equal to 0 will get. Okay, sorry, Q bar equal to 0, Q equal to 1 you will get. Okay, so that time flip-flop is in a set state. Okay, you are getting means that is in a set state. Okay, when J equal to 1, K equal to 1, that time okay, the clock pulse equal to 1, this will causes the output to be toggle. Okay, this toggle operations continues until the clock pulse goes back to 0, which is called as a race around condition. When a JK in a JK flip-flop, and with the value of the clock pulse, okay, j equal to 1 and k equal to 1 and clock pulse is equal to 1, the output is causes to positive. Okay, and also the toggle operation continues until the clock pulse goes to 0, that is known as a race around condition. Okay, that is important concept in a race around. Okay, in a flip flops, that is a race around condition. Okay, this condition is undesirable. We have to find way to eliminate these conditions. This undesirable behavior can be eliminated by the edge triggering of the JK flip flop. Okay, so that can be eliminated by the edge triggering of the JK flip flop or using the master slave JK flip flop. Okay, thank you.